AB Social as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing. And if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. The best. Yeah, so today's video is an unboxing and try on haul. I've never done try on haul on my channel before, and I decided to do it today. Yeah, so I got this from Lazada. Yeah, you can see. So I'm going to open it now and see what is inside, and we're going to try it on. You know, I got this for 621. It's not showing. I got this for 621 pesos. So I hope well, let me open it. This is the thing I read. Oh, that maroon should be a little bit darker. I'm going to try this on and show you guys on camera so you see how it looks on my body. If it's okay, then I have this other one. I like the first lens, but I don't really like this lens. Okay, so this is how this is looking. I can't wait to try this. Oh, why is the camera not dark? Okay. I can't wait to try this on to see how it's gonna look on my body. Yeah, so without wasting much of the time, let me just, go and try it on, then I'm coming back to show you. Yeah, so this is the first one. This is how the hand looks. I'm going to stand up. So this is it. I don't know how I'm going to do that everywhere will show. Yeah, so this is it. This is the first one. I love the lens. Like, the lens is really nice, and just look for a nice shoe. Let's go and try the second one. Yeah, so this is the second dress of shoulder. It's nice, stretchy. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So that's it for today's unboxing and try on haul. If you want to see more try on haul videos, put it down in the comment section, and I'm going to try as much as possible to be showing you guys some new dresses and yeah. So I love that I'm looking in this dress. I look like one office lady, one banker. Okay, anyways, if you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. And if you're returning, please. Oh, did I just say please? If you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate the fact that you always come back to watch my videos, even if you don't find me interesting, or even if there are 1001 interesting YouTubers out there, but you still find time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And please, if you have any video suggestion, drop it down in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to do, or if there's anything you want me to talk about, drop it down in the comment section. So this is me saying goodbye. I love you.